the night.
National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ellis County in north central Texas, southern Dallas County in north central Texas, southwestern Kaufman County in north central Texas until 11 p.m. At 9:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cottonwood, or 11 miles south of Seagoville, and is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near Ennis and Palmer around 11 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Cottonwood and Drosser. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.